Hey guys, how to verify your Apple ID if you changed your phone number. First, open the browser. Next, at appleid.apple.com, go and here sign in your account. Tap sign in, continue with Touch ID. Next, add your email address connected with your Apple ID. After that, tap next and add your password for your Apple ID. After that, tap next. OK, allow, and I have a verification code, but if you have the new phone number, you will haven't a verification code in your screen. Then go to your settings. Next, open your account settings, choose password and security. Scroll down and we can get a verification code to sign in on another device. Get verification code, remember it, return to website, add the code, and now we are in our Apple ID account. Continue. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you soon.